Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. Plant-based Gabriel here. Today I want to show you how I love cooking my sweet potatoes. Now some of you might know this, but I have gotten the nickname around some of my family and friends of sweet potato just because I eat so many of them. And that's because it's so easy to make, they're so healthy, and they're just fantastic. So what we're going to need is 3 sweet potatoes. Now, when I buy sweet potatoes, I try to make sure that they're all the same size so that when I cook them, they cook evenly. So they can be small, they can be big, but I try to make sure they're the same size. Now these I'm gonna scrub off with just under the sink with some water, and then we'll be ready to use those. We're also gonna need 1 cup of water, and then I like to steam them in the Instant Pot with just the just this kind of picker-upper that comes with the Instant Pot. You can get a fancy steamer and go out and find something, and they work great, but I find that this just does the job perfectly fine. So first thing we're gonna do is open up the Instant Pot. All right, the first thing we're going to do is set in our steamer basket, and we're just gonna put it right in the middle. We're then going to take our 1 cup of water and put it in there, and then we're just going to set the sweet potatoes evenly on the basket. And they fit just like that. Then we're just gonna put it in there. I'm gonna set it at normal pressure for 30 minutes. And we'll be back when that's done. All right, I just got done quick releasing it. We're gonna open her up and see how they look. The smell is fantastic. They look like they've been perfectly cooked. I'm going to use my rice spoon and pick one up for you. All right, they are done, and as you can tell, the skin is falling off. They are cooked to perfection. Now, one thing that I love about these sweet potatoes is just how the sugars break down in them, and they are so sweet. Now, you can, of course, cook them in the oven. I find it takes somewhere around an hour of cooking them to get to this consistency and this level of sweetness. I love them so much. I don't know if you can tell this, but I really do love sweet potatoes. They're so healthy. They go great with everything. We put sometimes we'll lay it down, we'll put some barbecue jackfruit, which you can find right there, and put them on top, but they're just a fantastic food. We throw them in the fridge, put them in a fridge safe container, and then we'll just pull them out and eat them for snacks cold sometimes. But we also do some special things like nice creams with them that I'll be doing some videos coming up here for. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have, hit the like button. If you want to see more plant-based videos just like this one, hit the subscribe button. I am Plant-Based Gabriel, and I thank you for watching.